Morning routine. Budgies are out already. I just put them outside and you can see sunshine is coming soon. And they just love outdoors. Good morning. Good morning. You guys have a lot of energy, huh? 4 of them are there. Oh, I see. You guys are fighting for the tree that I put last night, huh? Good morning. Toby, did you just kick out Sunny from... Oh, it's Luna. Luna kicked out Sunny from the swing. Hi, Lucy. Coffee's ready. So this is what I do in the mornings. Bring my coffee outdoors with my budgies, and I just enjoy. And look at my flowers, how beautiful they are. So all the rain made all these beautiful flowers. Future grapes. I have 1, 2, and 3. And I have another grape here and another grape on that area. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Lavender is growing, yay! Sweet peas ready to eat. These are from seed, my grandkid. I don't know if, oh no, I didn't post a video, but my grandkid did this from a seed. And believe it or not, he's 4 years old. And look at this, they're so beautiful. And I know I have to put a little stand, but he was just playing, and yeah, he has good green hands. And this is another beauty. It was so little when they gave it to me. It was like this big, and look how big it is now. And I built all this. And you remember the turtle that it was there? Well, it's still there, but you cannot see it because all the seeds that I plant on this area, they bloom, so they cover the little turtle that is here. But this video is about budgies, not flowers. But I wanted to share with you my other love of my life, that is flowers, gardening. So much love, so much love. That's Toby. That's not Luna. Charlotte thinks this is Luna, but it's Toby. And he's like, I thought it was Luna. Nope, it's not Luna. It's Toby. I have this out because sometimes when I open their houses, they fly around, and I put this one so they can, from here, they go inside their house when they want to. Cookie wants Lucy to go to the house. That's what he does that. Good morning. So yeah, guys, this is early morning videos. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Wait for the next video. Thank you.